Barbie Fortes update. Yung post ni Barbie sa kanyang Instagram. Yung gumaganap ni Barbie ngayon June. Sabi niya June, go to top this day. And champagne on Thursday night just feels right. You know. Yung ako si Barbie ng champagne. Tapos yan. Yung sa cafe. Tapos yung gawa ng kanyang mommy, yung crochet bracelets sa honor thy mother. Siyempre abangan yan soon. Yung kasama ang kanyang glam team. Yung for the win. Yung room ni Barbie. Yung outfit ni Barbie. Yung triple celebration with mama and daddy. Yung mami siya kasi daddy Tony. Ayan, cool sana to o tili kaso napaka-init yun no. Saka yung book, ayan, Charlie Floric is my new book boyfriend, wag kayong magulo, deserve ko to. Yung ramen, tas yun pa Omega Ball, kasi Medusa, you know, first time. And ang sarap yun no, pancake. So, ayun pa. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard, the Atrium Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.